Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today our first lecture of Diwani calligraphy will be started. So first of all, the word we study is Alif. Today we will study how to write Alif in Diwani calligraphy. So by taking your qalam, write in that way in which I'm writing, and be careful that for writing Alif we need 6 measuring dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, and the last one is 6. Here are the 6 measuring dots. Okay, now we will draw a dot here and this way. Okay, now you can see here are the 3 lines. Okay, sorry, 3 measuring dots. We draw a single line here and also draw a line here. So we again make measuring dots, 1, 2, and the last one is 3. Here we have made these dots. Now it's time to write. Now hold your qalam at 90-degree angle and start writing. Start from this portion, take it up, and again back, and curve it from this portion. Sorry, and curve it from this. From this portion. It is our Alif. It's not little true from this back, but I'm telling you here without drawing these measuring dots that you should have to put it here and then here and again make this thing. It's right little bit. Okay, it's right. It's wrong from this portion. It's right. So now here we have another shape of Alif. I'm going to tell you, but if you want, when I again tell you this shape, okay, I'm again telling you this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one is 6. Divide this portion. Start from this portion in this way and back just like this, and like this. This thing, this. Now we are drawing here measuring cuts. That's 1, that's 2nd, and that's 3rd. You can see here now our Alif is perfectly hidden. I want to tell you that I have made a peak of Alif at this portion. Now we are moving ahead. It's the first type of Alif. Okay, now we are moving ahead and write the second type of Alif. Again make the 6 dots, measuring dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last, oh sorry, it's a little dirty, and the last one is 6. 6. Now make the starting dot, means at this portion we will start our calligraphy. Okay, here we divide our measuring dots in 3 parts, in 2 equal parts of 3 cuts or 3 measuring dots. Now start from this portion in this way and that in this little like this, and now here we will make 3 equal dots for making its bottom, and by using same thing we are making its bottom. Here we have made its bottom. Similarly we will make it from this portion like this, like this. Okay, here is another shape of a leaf. Okay, now we are moving ahead, and I want to tell you these are full shapes. It's 1 and it's 2nd. Now we are writing here, or we can also call it starting shapes. And here, now we are writing here middle and ending shapes of Alif. First of all, we will make 3 cuts or 3 making dots. 1, 2, and 3. And after that, we will take our column at 90-degree angle and write in this way. This way. And here is the half shape of our Alif. And here is the ending shape of our Alif. Now we are going ahead and start writing another shape of Alif. At the end is, again we will draw 3 cuts. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 cuts or making dots. Okay, and we have handle or pencil or column from this portion at 90-degree angle and start it in this way and again come back here in this way. And now it is the second shape of our Alif. So here our lecture is completed, and here I want to tell you it's the first shape and it's the second shape. Now here our lecture is completed, and these are the full shapes of our Alif and these are the half shape of our Alif. You should have to practice it at least 50 or 40 times to be perfect in doing Diwani calligraphy. So I also want to tell you that our work is only with this word, not in these words in calligraphy. When we write different words in calligraphy, we don't draw these meaning dots, these lines, this meaning dot, etc. here. And we draw only this thing when we draw Alif, or this thing, or this thing, or this thing. Okay. Now here I also want to tell you some moves of Alif. In this, here are some moves. First move, second move, third move, and fourth move. In this Alif, there are 4 moves. In this, first move, second move, third move, fourth move, and last one is fifth move. In this word, we have 5 moves. Now moving ahead in this word, and here is first move, and this one is last and the second move. Similarly, here is the first move, here's the second move, and here is the third move of our calligraphy. Now here today's lecture is completed. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.